Hello, how are you children? I know everybody is fit and fine. Children, today we are going to do the articles. Articles, okay? And what are articles? Basically, these are the starting words as a and an. A and an. But before that, let me tell you what are vowels and consonants. Vowels, as you all must have done in your KG class, vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Let me write down. A, E, I, O and U. In your alphabets, these are the vowels and the rest of the alphabets are the consonants. They are the consonants. Now children, with A, E, I, O, U, we use an. We use an. And with rest of the consonants, we use A. So, let me write consonants and an is used with the vowels. And vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now let us start with a few examples. Then the concept will be clear to you. Before that, I am going to write a few words on the board. The first word is apple, elephant, bear, book, ant, rat. Now these are a few examples. Now let us see where we have to use A and where we have to use and. First, let me write down the vowels for you so that it becomes easier for you. Now I told you with A, E, I, O, U we have to write an and rest we have to write A. So apple, it starts with A. A is a vowel. So we have to write an. We have to write here an. Elephant. Elephant, E. E is a vowel. Again we have to write an elephant. Bear, B. B is a consonant. So here we have to write A. We have to write a bear. Next, book. B is a consonant. So again we are going to write a book. Ant. A is a vowel. An ant. Rat. R is a consonant. So here we are going to write a rat. A rat. Now let us take few more examples for the same. Ice cream. Everybody's favorite. Ice cream. I is a vowel. So we are going to write an ice cream. Now next word is bed. B is a consonant. So what are we going to write? A bed. Chair. Yes, C is a consonant. So a chair. Eraser. An eraser. An eraser. So let us revise. A is used with the consonants. An is used with the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And rest of the alphabets are consonants.